This was one unbearable cleanup.
There's a tear in my beer, 'cause I'm crying for you, dear.
A truck full of beer kegs caused a traffic backup in Arizona after it overturned in a crash with an SUV. The suds-filled kegs broke through the roof of the truck, piling up on the interstate near Phoenix. One lane was even blocked because of the spill. Just like the truck, the SUV also ended up on its side. But luckily, only one person came away with minor injuries. Crews got to work on the spill, and soon the roads were beer-free once more. And those stuck in traffic lived happily ever after.
Into these last few beers, I have shed 1,000,000 tears.
InsideEdition.com